Okay, sorry for the break. See, one thing I made a mistake is that x3, the coordinate I had taken was 3. It has to be 1 because see, x3 is 1, x1 is 3, and x1 is not coming here anywhere, right? And this calculation is minus 1 upon 6. So please rectify that. I've done that calculation again. Now let's go ahead and calculate the zj value. Now how to find the zj value? So 1 into 2 upon 3 plus 6 into 1 upon 3. 6 into 1 upon 3 is 2. So now 2 upon 3 plus 2. So that is equal to 3. So 2 plus 6. So it is 8 upon 3 minus 4 upon 3 m. Okay. This will become 0 here, 0 is only 1. So that is 6. This will be just 1. This will be minus 11 upon 6 plus 5 upon 3 m. This will be minus 5 upon 6 plus 2 upon 3 m. This will be minus m and this will be m. Now delta j is equal to cj minus zj. So 3 minus 8 upon 3. So that is 1 upon 3 plus 4 upon 3 m. This will be 0, this will be 0. This will be 0 minus 11 upon 6 will become plus 11 upon 6 minus 5 by 3 m. This will become 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3 m. And this will become m and this will become 0. Now there are just two negative numbers. We have to take the most negative. So that is S1. So this becomes our key column. Okay. Now let's find the replacement ratio. So 26 upon 6 multiplied by minus 6 upon 5. So it will be minus 26 upon 5. Now here 10 upon 6 into minus 6. So it will be minus 10. And this will be 34 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So it will be 34 upon 5. Since this is the only positive number because this is negative, so we take this as the outgoing variable. So our A3 is going out. We don't take negative numbers in theta. So we take only positive. So there is only one positive number. So that becomes our outgoing variable. So S1 will come in and replace A3. Okay. So now our next table will be so we have removed the A3. Now let's say, so it will be X3, X2 and S1, correct? Because S1 is coming in. So now S1, the coordinate is 0, X2 it is 6 and X3 it is 1. Now, what is our key row? Key row is A3. Key element is 5 upon 3. So 5 upon 3, what we will do is we will divide the entire equation by 5 upon 3. So 34 upon 3 multiplied by 3 upon 5 will be 34 upon 5. So this will be 34 upon 5. This will become minus 4 upon 5. This will be 0. This will be 0. This will be 1. This will be 2 upon 5. And this will be minus 3 upon 5. Okay. Now what we do is, since it is S1, so we need to have these two as 0. Okay. So S1 पे क्या था? Minus 6 and here it is minus 5 upon 6. Here it is minus 1 upon 6. So in our new row 1, I'll write it over here. So new row 1 is equal to old row 1 plus 5 upon 6 times 5 upon 6 times new row 3, right? And a new row 2 will be old row 2 plus Why plus? Because this is minus over here. 1 upon 6 times new row 3. I'll write it neatly over here. New row 1 is equal to old row 1 plus 5 upon 6 times new row 3, and new row 2 is equal to old row 2 plus 1 upon 6 times new row 3. Right, now we work out. So let's take our first row. So what is the old row 1? 26 upon 6. So 26 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6 times 34 upon 5. This 5 goes. So 26 upon 6 plus 34 upon 6. LCM is 6. So 26 plus 34 is 60 upon 6. That is nothing but 10. So this will become 10. Similarly, this will become 0. This will become 0. This will become 1. This will become plus 1 upon 2. And this will become minus 1 upon 2. Now let's go to x2. So what is the old row? It is 10 upon 6. So 10 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6 times new row 3 is 34 upon 5. So that is 10 upon 6 plus 34 upon 30. So LCM is 30. So 6 5s are. So this will become 50 plus 34. So that is 84 upon 30. Okay. So now 6 5s are 30, 6 1s are 6, and 6 4s are 24. So this will become 14 upon 5. Similarly, this will be 1 upon 5. This one will become 1. This will be 0. This is the 0 that we have worked out. And this is minus 1 upon 10. Again, minus 1 upon 10. Right. Now what we do is find out Zj. How we get Zj? This into this. So it is 0 plus 6 upon 5. So this will be 6 upon 5. Then this will be 6. This will be 1. This will be 0. This is 1 upon 2 minus 6 upon 10. So that is minus 1 upon 10. This is minus 1 upon 2 minus 6 upon 10. So that will be minus 11 upon 10. Right. Now delta J is equal to Cj minus Zj. So 3 minus 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5 is nothing but 1.11. So it will be positive 1 upon 89. Why? 3 minus 1.11 is 1.89. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 1 upon 10 is plus 1 upon 10. And 0 minus 11 upon 10 is plus 11 upon 10. Now since all the numbers are either 0 or positive, that means our optimal is reached. So here x1 is not there, not required. x2 will be 4 upon 5. x3 will be, what do you say, 10. So what will be our minimum cost? So minimize z is equal to 3x1 plus 6x2 plus x3, right? So 3x1 is not there, so 0 plus 6 into how much is x2?